Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 270 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof MOTED Spares OR Repairs Nice Alloys Open Mouth Smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 133651. MOT, 1 June 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox needs replacing, engine sounds completely fine grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call